A hailstorm hits Friday night. Without AI, you lose every lead before Monday. With AI, every call is answered, every inspection is booked. Here is how. Today we are looking at how roofing companies are using AI to qualify leads, collect photos, schedule inspections, and follow up on insurance estimates without adding a single office staffer. Here is the core tension every roofing owner lives with. When a storm rolls through, your phone blows up at the exact same moment every crew member is needed on a roof. You cannot be in two places at once, and in roofing, the contractor who responds first almost always wins the job. Slow follow-up is not just an inconvenience, it is revenue walking out the door. The numbers make this painfully clear. Leads called back within 5 minutes are 21 times more likely to convert than those called back in 30 minutes. Most roofing companies are not even close to that window. Before we get into the dedicated tools, here is a zero-cost starting point any roofing company can use today. Open ChatGPT and paste in a prompt like this one. Ask it to act as a roofing sales assistant and build you a list of qualifying questions for a homeowner who called about storm damage. Include questions about insurance status, roof age, material type, and urgency. In about 5 minutes, you have a ready-to-use intake script. Hand it to your front desk, save it in your CRM, or use it to train a new office staffer. No budget required, no tech setup. Just a sharper intake process starting today. Once your intake script is solid, it is time to automate the entire front end of your business with tools built specifically for roofing. QuoteIQ is built specifically for roofing companies that want AI handling their phones around the clock. Their virtual call team answers every inbound call, qualifies the lead with the right questions, and books inspections automatically. For storm chasing campaigns, it also handles outbound follow-up, so no lead goes cold over a weekend. Picture that Friday night hailstorm scenario. Instead of losing 2 days of leads, QuoteIQ is answering calls at midnight, qualifying homeowners, and filling your Monday calendar before you finish your coffee. Here is what the AI-powered roofing lead flow looks like from first contact to booked inspection. The homeowner calls or texts after the storm. AI answers instantly, runs through the qualifying questions, collects property details, and drops the lead into your CRM with a scheduled inspection time. Your crew shows up to a pre-qualified job. No manual follow-up, no leads slipping through the cracks. Job Nimbus is a roofing-specific CRM that gives you a single dashboard to track every lead from first call to final payment. With AI-enabled workflows, it flags which leads need an insurance follow-up, which ones are ready for an estimate, and which inspections are still pending. If you are running 3 crews and juggling 40 active jobs, this is the kind of visibility that keeps revenue from falling through the cracks. Let's put the old way next to the new way side by side. Traditional roofing lead handling means a missed call, a voicemail that sits for hours, manual follow-up from whoever has a free moment, and a leads list that lives in someone's notebook. The AI-powered approach answers every call instantly, qualifies automatically, pushes leads into your CRM, and follows up without anyone having to remember to do it. The third tool in this stack solves a problem that costs roofers real money: photo documentation. Company Cam lets your crew collect, organize, and share property photos the moment they are on site. For insurance jobs, this is a game changer. Adjusters get clear visual evidence of damage, claims move faster, and homeowners see exactly what they are paying for. If you are handling 5 or 10 insurance claims a week, shaving even 2 days off each claim cycle adds up fast. Here is where the time savings show up across your operation when you stack these tools together. Lead response time drops dramatically. Insurance documentation that used to take days now takes hours. And follow-up that used to depend on someone remembering to make a call happens automatically. So how do you actually get this running in your roofing business without a big tech budget or an IT team? Start with the ChatGPT prompt. Build your qualifying script today at zero cost and use it to tighten up how your team handles every inbound call. Second, pick one AI tool that solves your biggest leak. If missed calls are killing you, start with QuoteIQ. If pipeline visibility is the problem, start with Job Nimbus. Third, add photo documentation with Company Cam once your lead flow is solid. Fourth, review your results after 30 days. Look at how many leads were captured after hours, how many inspections were booked automatically, and how much time your office staff got back. Most roofing companies see a measurable difference within the first storm cycle. The roofing companies winning right now are not the ones with the biggest crews. They are the ones who respond fastest and follow up every single time. And this same approach works across home services. HVAC companies can use AI to qualify emergency service calls and dispatch faster. Plumbers can automate leak and water damage intake. General contractors can use photo documentation to speed up insurance-backed renovation bids. The lead qualification and follow-up problem is the same across every trade. The tools just need to match the workflow. You built your roofing company by showing up and doing the work. AI handles the front office so you can stay focused on the roof. If you want to know exactly which tools fit your current lead process and where you are losing the most jobs, book a call and we will walk through your workflow together. No generic advice, just a practical plan for your business. And subscribe for more no-fluff AI strategies built for contractors and home service operators.